Hello and welcome to a new vlog and trip report, and today we're traveling on the so-called Stichtse Lijn from Utrecht to Baarn, and here on the map you can see our route today. We are starting in Utrecht and we're going to Den Dolder, and there we are reaching the Stichtse Lijn, which will bring us to Baarn. Our train today is a Sprinter light train, an SLT, and now we can take a look at the arrival of this train here at one of the most important stations of the Netherlands, Utrecht Centraal. We can take a look at the interior of this train. It's probably the least comfortable train of the Netherlands. It's comparable to the German class 425, but still much more comfortable than the German version of this train, because the seats are much softer and they are also more comfortable, but there are no other features like power sockets, tables or anything else. And here we are leaving Utrecht Centraal, and now we're heading north and then we're heading east out of Utrecht until Den Dolder. We are going on the Centraalspoorlijn railway line between Utrecht and Kampen. We also have a connection to a railway line that is leading to the Railway Museum of Utrecht, also very interesting, hopefully topic of a future video. Here we are slowly approaching the station of Den Dolder, which we have reached here, and from here we are now going on the Stichtse Lijn to Baarn. The Sticht Utrecht is the Dutch name for the Prince Bishopric of Utrecht, and that's where the name of this railway line is coming from. Here we are leaving the Centraalspoorlijn. We are now going through a quite beautiful forest with also some dunes nearby, which unfortunately you cannot see from the train window, but you can see it from the landscape that there are dunes nearby. It's a quite beautiful forest, and it's also the most beautiful part of the railway line, which otherwise is rather unspectacular, because now we are reaching the city of Soest, and for the most time of the 10.5 kilometers length of the railway line we are going through Soest. Here we have 3 stations. Most important one is the station of Soest itself. There we have also the passing of the oncoming train, otherwise it's a single track railway line. We are still in Soest. We are now getting closer to Soest Dijk. Here in the background we can already see the railway line, which is connecting Baarn, the end of our line, with Amersfoort, and in the other direction the railway line is going to Hilversum and on to Amsterdam. So the purpose of this railway line is to connect the city of Soest with Utrecht and Baarn, where you have connections onto Amersfoort and Amsterdam. Here we are already approaching the station of Baarn, which is the end of the line. Here I changed the train and went on to Amersfoort. There will be no video about this train ride, but in Amersfoort we're taking a train that is going back past Baarn and on to Amsterdam, and that will be the topic of the next video. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Here you can see when the next video will be uploaded and the name of the song. As always, I'd like to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to comment, like, subscribe or share the video link, and I hope to see you in my next video then.